Hi, welcome to the Robotics channel. I am Naili. This is the part 2 of the video that we will design the layout. In the e-catalog, expand the models by manufacturer. Find visual components and expand it. Click for conveyor and insert conveyor to the 3D world. There are 3 ways to insert the component into 3D world. First, select the component and drag it. Second, double-click on it. Third, select and right-click, choose Open. Before we start, I will show you how to navigate in the 3D world. Click and hold the right mouse button to rotate the camera. Click and hold the left and right mouse button will pan the camera along the horizontal and vertical axis of the viewport. And to move the selected component, click the left mouse button. At the right bottom, the view selector represents 6 standard views. You can change your view to top, left, right, front and back. You also can click in between 2 angles. Let's continue. Add another conveyor to the 3D world. Few ways to insert a new conveyor. First, use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Second, select the conveyor and right-click, choose Copy, and right-click another space and paste. Another way is inserting the new conveyor from the list into 3D world. Now, align the second conveyor with the first conveyor. On the right side, you will see the component properties panel. You can customize the selected component properties, and for this case, the second conveyor, let's change its length to 3000. You can see the yellow arrow here. This represents the flow of the conveyor movement. Back to the e-catalog, search for machines, and insert parametric lathe to the 3D world. Put the machine beside the conveyor. Next, in the PM flow component, get the feeder process. Drag it near to the conveyor and you will see the green arrow appears. This means that there is a connection between the conveyor and the feeder process, and if you release it, it will automatically be put on the conveyor. Drag the feeder process at the start of the conveyor. Next, we will need from conveyor process. Use the same method. Bring it near to the conveyor and put it on the conveyor. Drag it to the end of the first conveyor. Add 2 conveyor process at the start of the second conveyor. And the sync process at the end of the second conveyor. So now we are done with designing the layout. In the next video, you will learn about process modeling. Thank you and bye-bye.